All right, check it out. Today we got our wok right now, and this is a heavy duty, just like the restaurant. It's a restaurant quality, very good, easy handled. It has a wooden handle, if you guys can see that. Now, out of the box, you got to season it. So, seasoning means it gives you instructions here how to actually use it. This works on hot fire, right? Don't add water and leave it to dry the water because it'll rust some of the stuff. Make sure you dry the water, right? Now, you could evaporate the water too. So to season it, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Olive oil, but mostly don't use olive oil. Use vegetable oil to get the best quality taste. Vegetable oil, garlic, and pretty much if you want onions, it's up to you, optional. Grill it out for 3 to 5 minutes. After it's done, make sure it completely changes the color. If you guys can see it. If you see it this color, it's not seasoning. It's not ready to use. Right now out of the box, there's oil because to prevent from rust. So you got to make sure you clean this up first prior to actually using it. So let's go ahead and clean it up and show you some of the process that I do. Now, seasoning, you could do 3 or 4 steps on it. You could do it 3 or 4 times. That means, all right. People like to use lard. It's probably one of the best things, but it's hard to get around here. So I'm going to season it. Garlic, make sure it's all over. Give it a good taste. I'm going to mix it up right now. Get as much as you can. Let it turn brown. We know it's cooking. Season it everywhere. That's how I do it. It's just aggressively give it a good flavor. At the end of the day, when I clean it up, after I even wash it, I put a little bit oil on it to coat it. And we're looking at it, it's turning right there. That's what we want to see. We're gonna run it one more time after. Want to get that. Okay, now I'm gonna get instead of garlic, I'm put onions on the next one. So you're not gonna see that. We're gonna run it one more time, and then we're gonna start cooking. All right. So let's not cook this thing completely. We're getting too much water. We have to turn on the high water off because I don't want liquids, too much liquid. We just want to make sure we're cooking this properly. Almost done evaporating all the liquids, which is good. That's what we want. Thanks, guys. So fit everything? Yes, we could. Made a little mess, but we'll throw it back in there. And I guess that's how people invented this, because don't forget at the end the piece of resistance, which is the soy. And we're gonna put some soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My grandma used to do a cross. God bless her soul. She's in heaven watching me all proudly. This is for you, Grandma. My grandma was a great chef. A great chef. Everything she did. She made it with love. Excellent flavor on everything. Everything she did was with flavor and love. I love my grandma so much that everything, coffee, anything she made had flavor. I miss her so much. But she lives on because of her cooking and her things that she taught us in life. The way you make your food is the way you taste your food. It tastes, all right? Make it with love, it's gonna taste with love. So this thing is done, pretty much done. Get a spoon to taste it. All right, get a spoon, a teaspoon. Needs salt, flavor. Oh man, doesn't need anything. Oh man. All right, only if you could taste it. The mess is a mess. When you're doing fried rice, you're gonna make a mess, but the best part is eating it. So the pot worked great. It tastes exactly like when you buy it off the store or at Benihana's, anywhere else. Great, fantastic, love the pot. I hope you guys enjoy the video.